equality does not automatically translate.
It's interesting that you say kids can't vote, because I mean, maybe this has always been a discussion that's existed, but I see recently kind of a movement towards we need to listen to kids more. We need to give. I mean, I forget where. I don't know who proposed it. I want to say it was Nancy Pelosi. Maybe I'm wrong on that, but to get 16-year-olds to be able to vote. I don't know who that. Maybe I'm wrong.
Yeah, I don't know either.
I know
that's rumbled around quite a bit.
There was a movement to get six. I mean, I don't know if I want 18-year-olds to vote. I only say that because when I was 18, I just look at myself at 18 and be like, yeah, I should not have been able to cast a vote for anything.
Well, that came out of the Vietnam era. If you're young enough to go to the swamps of Vietnam to die, you should be old enough to vote for the people that are sending you to the swamps.
And I hear that said about buying alcohol and cigarettes. Well, cigarettes got raised to 21, but I hear that too is, you can go to Iraq and get killed by an RPG.
Yeah.
But you can't buy a 6-pack.
Right.